The 2026 Toyota Sequoia just dropped with jaw-dropping updates and one change that might shock Toyota loyalists. You won't believe what they've done until the end of this video. Curious? Stay tuned to see if this SUV is still worth your hype. Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Car Leaks, where we bring you top-tier car reviews, straightforward, honest, and always a little surprising. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Sequoia. Let's break down what's changed, how much it'll cost, and when you can get behind the wheel. Let's roll. Let's talk about what's new on the 2026 Toyota Sequoia. Toyota didn't just tweak the styling, they've completely refreshed it. Up front, you'll notice a more aggressive grille, now with integrated LED strip lighting that gives it a more modern, assertive presence. Body lines are sharper, and the updated bumper design creates a bolder stance than before. Inside, they've taken a big leap forward too. Expect a new 14-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a revamped digital instrument cluster that looks sleek and modern. Performance-wise, Toyota has improved the suspension tuning for better on-road comfort and off-road composure. They've even added a standard adaptive air suspension, so you'll float over bumps instead of plowing through them. Now, here's a teaser. There's one design choice that could divide fans of the old Sequoia. I'll reveal what it is at the end of this video, so stay with me. So, what's the damage? The 2026 Sequoia lineup is expected to kick off at around $60,000 for the base trims, with fully loaded TRD Pro or Platinum models reaching about $75,000. That's certainly a premium, but you're getting an SUV that's far more refined, tech-rich, and capability-driven than before. Still, at that price point, how does the Sequoia stack up against competitors like the Ford Expedition or Chevrolet Tahoe Z71? Don't worry, I'll circle back to this comparison in just a moment. When can you get one? The 2026 Toyota Sequoia is slated to hit dealerships by late summer 2025, with dealer delivery expected in August 2025. Toyota has also hinted that pre-orders could open as early as June 2025, so enthusiasts get first dibs. Now, before we wrap up, remember that controversial change? It's the removal of the third-row jump seats, replaced by permanently mounted fold-down bench seats. Some love the improved comfort and access, others miss the versatility. Is this a step forward or backward? So, is the 2026 Toyota Sequoia the best blend of rugged capability and modern refinement yet? Let me know in the comments. If you love this deep dive, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews that matter. See you in the next one.